Today I am very excited to extend you an invitation to join the one, the only, SpruesNBrews Brew Club. What is going on, my friends? Hank here, and today is a big day over here at SpruesNBrews Scale Modeling. From the very beginning, I started this channel to do my little part in helping to grow and cultivate this wonderful virtual scale modeling community. When I picked up my first model kit back in 2016, after many years away from the hobby, I got my confidence, encouragement, and the information I needed to dive back into this hobby from some of the fantastic creators right here on YouTube. And in the years since then, I've had the pleasure of getting to share my tips and tricks with you guys to hopefully pay some of that forward to all the folks out there trying to grow and develop their own scale modeling skills. So today, in addition to all the regular content you get from me here on the channel, I welcome you to join the SpruesNBrews Brew Club. As a member of the Brew Club, you're going to get access to a variety of exclusive features offered only to members with your monthly subscription to the channel. Your support will go directly towards supporting the work I do here at SpruesNBrews Scale Modeling and will help me keep bringing you high quality, informative, and entertaining scale modeling content each and every week. Now, before we go into what's included with the membership, I just want to make it super clear. You're not going to lose any access to any of the features you get today if you choose not to join the club. It's really important to me that you're never going to lose access to the kind of videos you've become accustomed to over the last couple of years on the channel here behind a paywall. Your membership is just going to open up some fun, new, exclusive opportunities to connect with and learn from this excellent community of builders on top of the content you already get. So, to start off here, if you're interested in joining the Brew Club at our entry level, our 172 scale member level, you see what I did there? You're going to receive the following perks. First up, you all get to rise through the ranks. All members of the Brew Club will receive a special badge next to his or her username on any comments or chat messages you post on the channel. Everybody who signs up will start out with this PFC chevron, and the longer you're in the club, the higher the rank that will display next to your name. After a month, you'll be promoted to corporal. After 2 months, you'll be up to a sergeant. And after 6 months, you'll be getting that second lieutenant's bar, and so on and so forth. This will show everybody watching a SpruesNBrews video that you're part of the Brew Club, and it'll be a fun little nod to your continued support for the channel. In addition to the rank badges, you'll also get access to exclusive emojis to use in the comment section or chats for any SpruesNBrews video. To start, you're going to get an airbrush emoji, a spruce snipper emoji, a SpruesNBrews logo emoji, and a US tanker emoji that looks suspiciously like yours truly. And as the club grows, even more exclusive emojis will be added in the future. And finally, at the 172 scale member level, you'll also get priority attention from me in the comments section. It is absolutely amazing to me that at the time of recording, there are nearly 45,000 of you guys out there. Thank you. And that has proven to be a lot of folks to get back to in the comments. I love chatting with you guys and helping to answer your questions where I can, but as a member of the Brew Club, you're going to get priority treatment from me in the comments go forward. I'll get back to you as soon as I can as an added little thank you for your continued contribution and support of the channel. Membership in the Brew Club at the 172nd scale level will be at $2.99 a month, and as a thank you for your financial contribution, you'll get access to Rise Through the Ranks, the custom scale modeling emojis, and priority replies in the comments. And if you start today, you might be the very first one to rank up. If you're able to contribute just a little more to help support the channel, you can enter the 148 scale membership level of the Brew Club and get access to something I'm really excited about. Later this month, the SpruesNBrews Brew Club is going to have its very first official virtual modeling club meeting. Whether you're a member of an in-person IPMS chapter or if you've never been a member of a modeling club before, this could be a great opportunity for you. Once a month, I'm going to host a members-only live stream on the channel where we can get together and talk about all things scale modeling. We'll have a discussion subject for each meeting as well as a general Q&A session, and it'll be a great opportunity for us to virtually get together, chat, have a few brews, and hopefully make some scale modeling friends along the way. You'll also have exclusive access to all the live stream recordings if you happen to be unavailable for one of our sessions. I'll provide some more information regarding the meeting scheduling and our first focusing topic in the coming weeks. So, if you're interested in looking forward to a little virtual scale modeling club action each and every month, the 148 scale membership level might be the right one for you. In addition to club meeting access, you'll of course have access to all the perks from the 172nd scale member level, including the rank badges, the emojis, and the priority replies. Monthly 148 scale membership will be $4.99, and again, your assistance goes right into continuing to make high quality modeling content for this channel. And last but certainly not least, the premium membership level for the SpruesNBrews Brew Club will give you access to all of the perks we've already discussed, so the rank badges, the emojis, the priority replies, the monthly membership club meetings, as well as one very special opportunity. If you've been a subscriber to the channel for a while, you'll probably remember the SpruesNBrews Scale Model Showcase. Well, I'm bringing it back with a few little changes. If you join the Brew Club at the 135 scale member level, we're going to show off your work at our monthly club meeting live streams for everybody to appreciate, enjoy, and offer some productive feedback. Whether you got a work in progress build or you just finished the crowning jewel of your collection, the 135 scale club members can send me pictures to share during our meetings to help give you a little extra exposure and show off all your hard work with this great community. Club members interested in this opportunity can join the 135 scale membership level of the Brew Club at $9.99 a month, so you not only can attend our club meetings, but your build itself can be the star of the show. So, how does all that sound? If you'd like to join the official SpruesNBrews Brew Club, please consider signing up today using the link in the description below or by hitting join over on the SpruesNBrews channel page. I can't wait to get started with this club. I think we're gonna have a blast. I can't thank you guys enough for supporting me. I literally couldn't do what I do here without you guys. And with all that said, I hope to see some of you at our very first club meeting. Until next time, my friends, be well, happy building, cheers.